Hello, dear parents and children. Today we are talking what we need to know in our topic science. It's topic 4 in your books. We go to page page 134. So it's about types of climate. We have 3 pictures and we need to know that there are 3 main types of climate. Polar climate, picture 1, temperate climate, picture 2, and tropical climate, picture 3. Please remember that a polar climate is dry and cold. A temperate climate is mild. A tropical climate, like in picture 3, is warm all the year round. Next, we discuss the sun and climate. Let's look at the picture. So the countries which are close to the equator get the most sunlight, as you can see from the picture, and are the warmest. When we also talk about latitude. Latitude is how far to the north or to the south the country is from the equator. The equator is our 0 point. We start counting from here. For example, the Arctic Circle is 66 degrees north, to the north of the equator. Next is about the ocean and climate. The ocean water warms very slowly, but it cools down also very slowly. The countries which are near the oceans have mild winters and cool summers. Let's talk about land features and climate. Here the main definitions is elevation. Elevation is how high above the ground something is. When we go up the mountain, we get the air gets colder. So the higher we climb the mountain, the cooler it is. Next idea about the atmosphere and the climate. When we talk about atmosphere, it's very essential because the atmosphere has gases which capture or trap heat and warm the air. And without the atmosphere, the air will be a ball of ice. The last thing you need to know is how trees grow. So trees have rings. Each ring is 1 year of the life of the tree. 3 rings show how old the tree is. Sometimes the trees rings are bigger, sometimes they are smaller. It depends on the climate. If the climate is warm and wet that year, the ring is wider. That's all you have to know from this topic.